How to see last seen on WhatsApp even if it's hidden. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top, then tap on settings. Now as you tap on settings, scroll down and then tap on privacy. So here on the privacy, you can see the option of read receipts. So right now it's toggled on, which means that if as it's turned on, we'll be able to send or receive read receipts, and read receipts are always sent for group chats. So if you toggle off, you won't be able to send or receive read receipts. So just toggle it on. After that, tap on last seen and online. So here you can see I have toggled in for nobody, where nobody can see where I was last seen and when I was online. So you can just tap on everyone or select on any of the specific contact. Here I'm going to select for everyone and then tap on everyone again and then go back. And after this, you'll be able to see the last seen on WhatsApp. And if it's hidden, you'll not be have the direct access to it. You'll have to download a third-party app for that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.